Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Hyundai Tucson battery. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Gather all necessary tools, such as a 10mm wrench, to ensure a smooth and safe process. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. First, locate the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Once loose, remove the negative cable and tuck it away from the battery. Then, repeat this process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery hold down. This mechanism, whether a clamp or a strap, secures the battery in place. Use your wrench to loosen or completely remove the bolts or nuts holding it down. Once the hold down is free, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries can be quite heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back. To install your new battery, carefully place it into the battery tray, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Reattach the hold-down clamp or strap, tightening it securely so the battery cannot move. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both nuts firmly with your 10mm wrench. Before you go, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.